Introducing 1,090 inch-pounds of awesome. The XPH07M is the new king of the hammer driver drill category with the most torque in its class. It outpowers, outlasts, and outperforms the rest. With over 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, it outpowers the red and yellow brushless counterparts by up to 382 inch-pounds of torque. It also outlasts the red and yellow brushless drills, powering through 77 holes on a single charge with a new 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. So is it faster? Yes! Drilling into 2x material, it's up to 24% faster than the red and yellow's brushless drills. The hard-working XPH07M is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. The XPH07M is powered by the new 4 amp-hour battery that reaches a full charge in 40 minutes or less. That's twice as fast as some of the other 4 amp-hour batteries on the job site, which can take up to an hour and a half to reach full charge. It's part of MAKITA LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. The new XPH07M is the unmatched, undisputed king of the hammer driver drill category.